T-Mobile Home Internet provides wireless broadband through gateway devices like the Nokia FastMile 5G gateway. To connect, first locate your network's SSID and password, usually found on the gateway's label or in the T-Mobile app. Ensure your device's Wi-Fi is enabled. Select your T-Mobile network's SSID from the list of available networks and enter the password when prompted. For an easier connection, you can use WPS. Press the WPS button on your gateway and then activate WPS on your device within 2 minutes. Note that WPS is less secure than manual password entry. For optimal performance, consider the band your device is using. T-Mobile gateways support multiple Wi-Fi bands for optimal performance. Use 2.4 GHz for longer range but slower speeds, ideal for IoT devices. Switch to 5 GHz for faster speeds and lower latency, best for gaming and streaming near the gateway. If you have Wi-Fi 6E devices and your gateway supports it, use the 6 GHz band for less interference. If you experience connectivity issues, ensure the gateway is powered on and the lights are stable. For troubleshooting, try restarting the gateway or using the T-Mobile app to diagnose and resolve common problems. Also, make sure you are not too far away from your device.